Hello viewers, I am Dr. R. CARLTON, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Environmental Sciences, Bishop Heber College, Tiruchirappalli. Today we are going to see about the hydrological cycle, otherwise known as the water cycle. The hydrological cycle is a system which describes the distribution and the movement of water between the lithosphere, the atmosphere. A model involves continuous circulation of water between the oceans, the atmosphere, the vegetation, and the land.
According to the law of conservation of matter, matter is neither created nor destroyed, but it is just moved around and transformed. Now, let us see the distribution of water in our environment. As we all know, our earth is covered by 70% of water. Among the 70%, nearly 97.5% is as salt water or marine water. Only we have about 2.5% freshwater resources available throughout our world. Even in that 2.5%, only 1.1% is available for our use. And hydrological cycle involves 5 stages, namely evaporation, transpiration, accumulation, precipitation, infiltration, and runoff. So evaporation and transpiration, these are almost the same processes, whereas evaporation takes place in the water bodies like lakes, rivers, seas, and land, whereas transpiration takes place in plants and animals. The second stage is the accumulation. The accumulation and condensation stage, where the evaporated water molecules get accumulated in our clouds in the form of clouds. And whereas the third stage is called as the precipitation stage, where the accumulated water molecules starts to come down in the form of solid liquid. The solid form of precipitation can be of different types, namely ice, hailstones, snow, glaciers, ice caps. And the liquid form of precipitation is usually as water, droplets, and rainfall. Whereas the gaseous form of precipitation can be of water vapor, mist, fog. Next is the infiltration or the storage stage, where the precipitated water starts to accumulate in some regions. So during the infiltration stage, the water gets stored mainly in the open water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans, and many things. As well as some water gets penetrated towards our land and form the groundwater resources. And the last stage of the hydrological cycle is the runoff stage. Even when the precipitation is occurring, only 30% of the water gets stored in our environment. Remaining 70% goes as a waste water, and they mix in the oceans, our drainage system, and goes as a waste water. Whereas again this water starts evaporating and forms the hydrological cycle again. So this hydrological cycle is a cycle where water is continuously moving around our environment in different forms. Thank you.